Forget everything you thought you knew about performance trucks, because the 2026 Ford Raptor R has officially broken the laws of physics. With a supercharged heartbeat borrowed straight from the Shelby GT500, this 7,400-pound metal behemoth accelerates faster than a modern supercar while being built to jump sand dunes at 90 miles per hour. But while Ford is proudly parading this monster as the ultimate off-road king, there is a dark, incredibly expensive secret hidden deep within its high-tech suspension system. A hidden engineering flaw that nobody else is talking about, which could completely ruin your ownership experience and leave you stranded with a massive repair bill. And we are going to expose exactly what that is at the very end of this video. Let's start with the absolute heart of this beast, the massive 5.2-liter supercharged Predator V8. Critics complained that the standard Raptor's twin-turbo V6 sounded like a lawnmower on steroids. Ford listened, stuffed a supercharger under the hood, and delivered a mind-melting 720 horsepower and 640 pound-feet of torque. When you stomp your foot on the accelerator, there is zero hesitation. The 10-speed automatic transmission drops gears instantly, the supercharger screams like a jet engine, and you are propelled from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.6 seconds. That is faster than an Aston Martin Vantage, and you are doing it in a truck that stands nearly 80 inches tall. It is pure, unadulterated madness. But power is nothing without control, and that is where the brand new Fox dual live valve shocks come into play. These high-tech dampers read the terrain hundreds of times per second, adjusting their stiffness in real time. If you are loving this deep dive into the world's wildest truck, take a quick second to hit that subscribe button and drop a like on this video, because it helps us keep bringing you raw, unfiltered reviews of the machines you actually care about. Look at those massive 37-inch BF Goodrich tires on 17-inch beadlock-capable wheels. The styling is equally aggressive, featuring a unique hood vent with the glowing red R badge and a modular front bumper built to withstand absolute abuse. Inside, Ford did not just make this a rugged work truck. They turned it into a high-end luxury lounge. You get aggressively bolstered Recaro leather seats with contrasting code orange stitching that hold you firmly in place when you are sliding sideways. Real carbon fiber appliques line the dashboard, and a digital gauge cluster provides real-time telemetry on your suspension travel. There is even a massive panoramic moonroof and a 14-speaker Bang & Olufsen sound system that produces crystal clear audio, though you will probably keep the active valve exhaust set to sport mode just to hear that savage V8 growl. The truck also retains practical touches, like a center console that folds completely flat to create a mobile workspace, proving that this monster can handle a construction site just as easily as a desert racetrack. Living with a truck like this in the real world is a completely different story. Let's be honest, the fuel economy is absolutely terrifying. You are looking at an average of 12 miles per gallon if you are being gentle, and if you have a heavy foot, you might as well buy your own personal oil refinery. Then there is the price, with an MSRP starting well over $114,000, and dealership markups pushing that figure closer to $150,000. The Raptor R is a toy reserved exclusively for the ultra-wealthy. But does that eye-watering price tag actually guarantee flawless performance? La Guide de l'Auto +1. This brings us back to that massive hidden flaw we teased earlier. The brilliant dual-valve Fox suspension is an engineering marvel, but it is also the truck's Achilles heel. Because of the insane real-time hydraulic pressures required to manage the truck's weight at high speeds over rough terrain, these shocks are prone to micro-leaks when exposed to extreme cold or heavy mud. Once that fluid begins to seep out, the active valving system fails, throwing the truck into a stiff, unresponsive limp mode. Replacing a single one of these proprietary dampers can cost you upwards of $3,000 outside of warranty, turning your desert-conquering dream machine into an incredibly expensive driveway ornament. So while the 2026 Raptor R is undoubtedly the wildest, most capable truck on the planet, you have to ask yourself if you are truly ready to pay the ultimate price for the ultimate power.